Welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to check your computer's MAC address. Whether you're troubleshooting network connection issues or setting up a new device, knowing your MAC address can be really helpful. First, let's navigate to the control panel. In Windows, you can simply click on the Start menu, then select Control Panel from the list. Once you're in the control panel, find and click on the Network and Internet option. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center. This will take you to a window that displays your current network connections. Now, locate and click on Change Adapter Settings on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a list of all the network adapters connected to your computer. Right-click on the one you're currently using and choose Status from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up. Click on the Details button. Here, you'll find a list of network information, including your computer's MAC address. It's usually labeled as physical address or MAC address. Make a note of it or take a screenshot for your reference. And that's it. You now know how to check your computer's MAC address, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.